Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Fitness channel. Today we are going to do 6 easy ab workout exercises which you can basically do anywhere. You can do it in your room, you can do it in your hostel room, you can do it even while traveling. All you need is a screen which you can keep right in front of you so that you can follow along and we can do this together. Today's workout is totally focused on activating your core, which is your upper abs, your lower abs and your obliques. You don't need any fancy variations or long workout for this. What matters here is clean reps, consistency and actually feeling your core while the exercise. So follow along, take your time, and without further ado, let's get into the exercises. So for our first exercise, we are going to do crunches. This is how you do it. Lie down flat on your back with your knees bent. And now from here, we are going to focus on squeezing our abs together this way. Keep your hands behind your head if you want to. Just focus on squeezing those upper abs and then come back down again. This is a half crunch. Alright. And for those who feel like this is way too easy, you can do this variation. You can come all the way up, squeeze all your abs together and come back down again. Since this is a beginner friendly workout, we are going to do the easy variation. We are going to do 20 reps for 2 sets. Alright, let's get started. Squeeze those upper abs together and then come back down slowly. Keep on breathing through your nose all the time. Alright, that's our first set. You can take a little break, catch your breath, and then we'll do another set of this for 20 reps again. Alright, let's go. Let's do our second set. Remember, 20 reps and keep it controlled. Try to feel your abs contract and then expand. 20 reps, let's go. Contract and then let it go slowly. Alright, that's the second set. Take a little breather and then come back. We'll move on to our next exercise. So our last exercise was targeting our upper abs. Now we are going to do one for lower abs. This one is called flutter kicks. This one is pretty easy and it has only one variation. This is how you do it. Again, lie down on your back flat. Most of the exercises which we do today, we are going to do on our back. Bring your legs up and then start kicking them up and down. And make sure to keep your knees straight all the time. Alright, so we are gonna do this for 20 seconds, 2 sets each. Let's go. That was the first set. We're going to take a 30-second break and then we're going to do that again. Also, if you like workouts as such, which you can basically do anywhere and require minimal equipment or basically no equipment usually, subscribe to Slowic Fitness because every week we keep on posting such videos and you do not want to miss out on that. Alright, let's go. Let's get back to our flutter kicks. 20 seconds again. Bring your legs up. Start kicking them up and down. Make sure to feel your lower abs in these and keep your knees straight. That's the second set. Take a little breather and then we'll move on to our next exercise. The last two exercises which we did was for our upper abs, the crunches one. The second one was for our lower abs. Now we are going to do one for obliques. Alright, so sit down the way I'm sitting and bring your feet up if you can. If you can't, it's okay. Put both your hands together and rotate side to side. And make sure that when you're rotating side to side, you're squeezing the obliques all together. And then while coming to the other side, you're squeezing the other side and expanding the other. And remember, if you can't keep your feet in the air, it's fine. You can keep them planted on the ground. Alright, here's how you do it. Right now, I'm squeezing my right side and the left side has been expanded. The main squeeze which you have to feel is on this part right over here. We are going to do 20 reps of this for 2 sets each. Alright, let's go. Squeeze your obliques together. Alright, that's the first set of Russian twist. Take a little breather and then we are going to do that again. Alright, before we get started with the next set, I wanted to tell you all that each one of us has abs inside our body. It's a basic muscle which everyone carries around. The reason why everyone's abs are not visible is because there is a layer of fat covering on top of your abs. So, if you pair a calorie deficit and workouts like these which burn fat and train your abs, your abs are going to get stronger and harder so that it is easier for them to push through the fat, and a calorie deficit is for the fat to go away so that you get those six-pack abs. So that is the reason why we train our abs and keep progressive overloading it so that it becomes stronger and then we get visible abs. And also the function of our abs aren't only to be strong. When you get like stronger abs, your body increases its stability, control and overall strength increases. That is the reason why we're training abs. Alright, let's get started with the second set of Russian twists. Okay, 20 reps again. Let's go. Squeeze those obliques together. Alright, that's the second set of Russian twist. Have some water, take a little break and then we'll move on to our next exercise. Alright, our next exercise is going to be a plank which basically targets your overall core and stability. And it is pretty easy to do. Here's how you do it. And then put your elbows down to the ground and lift your body up this way. Alright, take a good look at how I'm lying down right now. Alright, this is the exact posture which you need. So what this does is it holds your overall core in an isometric position which basically strengthens it. So we are going to do this 30 seconds, 2 sets each. Let's go. Alright, that's the first set. Take a little break, catch your breath again, and then we'll get back to it. Alright, let's go. Let's get a second set of plank done. Also, plank helps build deep core stability, which helps protect your spine and builds overall strength and helps with balance as well. Let's go. 30 seconds again. Take your time and let's get started. Alright, that's the second set of the plank. Take a little break. We'll get to our next exercise then. Alright, our next exercise is going to be leg raises, which is for our lower abs. And here's how you do it. Again, lie down flat on your back. Keep your hands under your hips. Alright, and no cheating. Raise both your legs up and squeeze your lower abs. Alright. Alright, that's a perfect rep. We're gonna do this 10 reps, 2 sets each, because this is a little harder than most of the exercises which we did till now. Alright, let's go. 10 perfect reps. Slow on the way down. Keep your knees locked. Squeeze those lower abs. That's your first set. We're going to do that again. Take a little break and then we'll get back to it. Also, so far, if you've been enjoying the workout, please like the video and drop a comment of what you guys want to see next. Let's go. Let's do our second set of leg raises. 10 reps. Perfect form. Alright, that was the second last exercise of the whole routine. We have just one more exercise left. Take a little breather and then once you're ready, we'll move on to the next exercise. Alright, for our last exercise, we are going to do cross crunches. This works our overall core and is a really good finisher. Here's how you do it. This is a little hard one, so take your time, understand the form and then move on with how you want to do it. Alright, keep your hands behind your head and you remember how we did Russian twist with our feet in the air? Yeah, we have to do that again. Try to touch your elbow to your knees, this way. It's like a Russian twist and a crunch together. It's called cross crunches. So this is how you do it. That's one. That's two. Alright. Make sure you focus on squeezing your core together, and if you can't do as many as reps which I am doing, you can take your time, take a little rest in between and then complete it. Alright, so we are going to do 15 reps, 2 sets each for our finisher exercise. Let's go. Alright, that's our first set. Let's get done with the second set of cross crunches. Let's go. This is our last set, so we have to give our all. Alright, let's go. Alright, congratulations, you just finished the easiest ab routine out there. This entire routine was focused on activating your core and strengthening your abs. If you keep doing this consistently, definition and strength follows along naturally. Save this workout, stay consistent and subscribe to Stoic Fitness if you liked the video. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.